Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I did some really cute nails that really inspired me. I took my time and I went over Pinterest and like just looked at pictures and did things that inspired me because I saw some nails on TikTok and they were like maximalist nails and I was like, those go crazy. So I want to just be creative and work and have some fun and do my own set, and I came up with these. They're super cute. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bright, but I really love them. So each one that I did, I had a picture in mind and I got to work doing that. So I'm gonna go through each one and we're gonna do these nails and I'm gonna show y'all what I use. So this first nail right here, I wanted like a seashell. If you see the picture, it's like really pretty pearls. You see some gold in there. You see some, I don't know, it was just like really beachy to me. So I went in with a milky white and a clear because I didn't want it too milky. So I mixed the two together, a milky white and a clear. Then I have these Aurora powders. I'm not sure where I got them from. Probably Shein. I was about to mix Shein and Temu and call it Shein. Shein or Temu. But they're just like really cute Aurora chrome powder. So I went in with a few of those and I mixed them together on the base. And it's super, super cute. Just mix it all together. And then really you can use whatever you want. The colors, but I wanted to get kind of like a purple, you know, purple yellowish tone underneath the colors because I wanted the colors on top to kind of like complement the colors that were underneath. So just blended that in really good. Looks so cute. I'm just experimenting today, so I went in with some soap, some bubble suds, and try to make some soap, like a soapy texture. This is my first time doing it. I think it came out really, really good. So really you just take some dishwashing liquid, some water, shake it up a little bit. You take something and scoop it, put it on the nail, but you want to put it on some gel that is clear or some clear gel, but don't cure it. And then you put a UV light on it and it gives it this really cool texture. So I use that method on the tip just to kind of emulate the texture that the picture had. So then these little jewels, I love them. I ended up just using the small pearls because I wasn't sure if I wanted the larger ones or the smaller ones. And then I ended up using the larger ones, but for another design on another nail. Also use this gold. So I wanted to get a gold from one of my companies that I've already used, but it wasn't going to come in time and I really wanted to put something on these nails with gold. So I got this from Amazon. It's kind of like a gold blooming gel. It was okay. I still want to get the EV Nail Shop gold because I have the white and it's really good. And then I have the Jellicoe oil inks or oil, they're called oil inks. I'll link them below because I use them in this video quite often. But I'm just going to go ahead and matte top coat the nails because anytime you work, I'll work with like inks or blooming. Mainly inks, I like to have a matte base. So now I'm just going in with some of that gold and just putting it kind of different places around the nail. Like I said, I'm just trying to get that hint of gold in the nail. And then I'm using my FX solution. They EV Nail Shop sells this FX solution and it works really good with their inks. So I'm just using it on here, just playing around. It gave something, but not exactly what I was looking for, but I thought it was really cute. Okay, so now I'm using the pearls and these flakes that I got, and I'm just putting them down using some rhinestone glue. And I chose to go with this purple color right here. I thought that was such a pretty color. Really like it. It's like really pretty flakes. So I know I want one in the center. So I'm just placing that down, and then I'm gonna flash cure it with my little lamp just to make sure that it stays in place. Okay, so after that, I went in with some more rhinestone glue, and now I'm just placing the pearls down on the nails. You can get creative with this, place them wherever you want, but to me, like I said, I was trying to emulate this picture, and this kind of gave me the vibes of that. And then I'm also going to use this last purple flake and put it at the tip of the nail, and then flash cure that. I also ended up going back and just putting some rhinestone glue around the edge of all the designs because I didn't want them to snag on anything. So yeah, flash cured that for a little bit, and then I went in with a little bit more rhinestone glue and then added a few more pearls to the tip, like some little small ones to the tip. Okay, so with this next nail, I went in with this like Aurora polish. So I don't know, I just wanted to do something different than just using the chrome powder. But it pretty much gives the same effect. But I think the chrome powder is a little bit prettier to me. But just gonna paint the whole thing, cure it, and now I'm gonna be using these bigger stones, these larger stones. They're like pearls, so pretty. I think I got these from Temu. And I'm trying to decide which size would fit best, but I think I like this one because it's not too big. I don't want it to be too big. So now I'm just going to place some rhinestone glue down, and then I'm going to put it on the nail so I can place that down and just flash cure it. This time I chose the flash cure from beneath because it's kind of a bigger stone. So I just wanted to make sure it's really stuck down and in place. Then I went around the edge of the nail with some matte top coat because I'm about to go in with some silver and do some chrome powder. So I just want to make sure my base is matte so it doesn't get on anything that I don't want it to get on. And I'm going around the edge of the pearl again, and then I'm going to create a few different designs on the nail. So I want that to be like the silver accent. And I'm using this color right here. It's like a darker silver. It's like a dark silver. And I'm just going in with my, what is those things called? I'm going in with one of these and just like scrubbing it in. And I only cure it for like 20 seconds. But this is what this nail looks like. Pretty simple. I really like it. Super cute. I love the little silver accent. Okay, for the next nail, I think I'm going to do like a opal, but a dark opal. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole nail black. This color I got from Shein, and it's a really good pigmented color. And I have a white that I got from there too, so they're really good. Now I'm going to be using these flakes and IBD gel. I really want to get some flakes that are more like full so you can scrub into your nails, because this made the nail a little bulky because they're like plastic, so they wouldn't scrub into the nail. I had to like encapsulate them with the hard gel. But that's what I'm doing, and I really want the ones that are like, I'm using all the colors really. Some blue, green, purple, just the different colors that I see in an opal. And I'm just, I put down the slip layer of the hard gel first. Then I put some of the flakes down. And then I'm going back on top to encapsulate them to make sure that they don't fall, make sure they don't get out of place. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty before I even really do anything else to it, because I'm going in with a milky white just to give it like that little milky look the opal has. But it's so pretty even without it. But I'm going in with this milky white, and I think I did the milky white mix with a clear and just going to go over the top of that. But then after I did that, I also went in with a matte top coat because I'm about to go in with some nail ink. So I like to have a matte top coat. And I just want to add a little black around the edge of the nail, the base, just to give it a little bit more detail. I think it made a difference. Like, it looks different from the rest. Like, it's a little darker on top, just bringing some of the black back in. Then I went in and top coated everything. And I think it came out super pretty. I also did another design that was very similar to this, but I learned this design from Dime Nails, so I didn't really record this, but you pretty much kind of can emulate the same things, just add different colors, add the flakes, use the nail ink. But I filmed that one off camera just because I did pay for the course. So I'll link her channel below if you like this nail design. And you want to see how it's done. I'm not sure if she's still selling the course, but that's who I got it from. So the next nail, I'm doing this really pretty green colors. I'm mixing like this jelly color and this other color, and I think they're so pretty. So I'm just like kind of placing them random spots along the nail. And then after it's all down, I'm going to go in with the brush and just kind of blend them all together. I ended up using like an empty bottle brush that I had from one of my top coats. It was kind of empty, so I was using that to blend out stuff, and I think that really works. Like, the brush was super nice versus a stiffer brush. So that's the tip. If you have like an old brush, maybe an old bottle, maybe save the brush for things like this. And I was just cleaning it and using it again. So blended that all out, and like I said, these designs are so pretty before you even go back on top and do anything else. So this was looking really cute as I kept blending it out. So now I'm going to matte top coat it because I'm going to go in with some nail inks. And I'm going to use these two nail inks right here. One's like a brown, one's like a green. And then I think I ended up using yellow. I didn't use all of these. I just used 11, 12, and 2, I believe. And then I don't think I even used this gold. But these are just what I was thinking about using. So now I am going in with the green, and I'm just placing different spots all along the nail. Just go straight in with it. And then I use the FX nail solution, and I just blend it out a little bit. Just make sure it's not so clumpy. After that, I'm going to go in with the brown, add some spots, and then I'm going to blend that out as well. And this is so pretty. How cute is this nail? I really could do a set with all this color. I don't know. What stone does this remind y'all of? It looks like something, but I can't place my finger on it. But I think it's super cute. So then after that, I'm going to go in with some gold flakes and just rub it in. You can place it down however you want. But I just wanted like a little gold accent added to my nails. And I think it came out super cute. Love it. So the next nail, I'm going to do kind of like these jelly colors. These three right here. And I'm going to place them in random spots as well. So I am going to place them all down randomly. And then I'm going to blend them out. Now I'm going to take my nail inks and I'm just going to use the colors that I'm showing you, a yellow and a brown. And then I'm also going to use the white. And I'm going to go in and just start layering those colors. And then later on, I'm also going to use this gold. So that's the one I'm using. But first, I am going to go in and place the colors down. I'm using this brown, a really pretty brown, just to layer on top of the colors I already put down and add some dimension. So I just place that down, put the yellow down. And then I also use some orange. And they all come from the same collection. And then I'm going to go in with this white. And I will say, if you get this white to use, make sure you're wiping it between uses and not sticking it straight back in the bottle because it will contaminate the white. But yeah, I'm just going in with my FX nail solution and I'm just creating veins and just blending it out a little bit. Super pretty. I like the way that the white looks kind of milky and cloudy. And it gives it really pretty dimension. So now I'm going to go in with some rhinestone glue and I'm just going to go around the whole edge of the nail. And then I'm only going to cure, when I use this rhinestone glue, I cure for 30 seconds when I'm going on top of it with a chrome. Then I use this gold chrome and I'm just going around the edge of it just because I want to create like an outline around the nail. And this is what it looks like. Super cute. I really like the way it turned out. And then I'm going to do a silver base nail. I really love this polish. It's like the perfect silver. It's very metallic-y and it just looks, you would think it was chrome, but it looks really good. So after that, I'm just going to place some random dots using rhinestone glue around the nail, the edge of the nail. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to make that first layer chrome gold, and then the second layer I did a silver chrome. And I think this nail might be my favorite nail in the set because it was just so pretty. It gives me like gunmetal vibes. I would do a whole set with this. Next, I'm going to paint a nail all milky white. And this is a really good milky white too. I'll make sure I link all this below. Then I went in with some cat eye silver polishes. And I'm just going to make like 4 dots going down the middle of the nail. Use my magnet. I'm not that good at using cat eye polishes yet, but I'm practicing. So I'm using my magnet. And then I cured it once it looked how I wanted it to look. And it was moving really pretty. So then I'm going in with color on top of the cat eye just to put something on top of it. And I'm doing like this really pretty brown. Then I'm using this like kind of aurora color. Then the third one I use like this pretty glitter. It has like purple and green. Then the last one is like this jelly green that I use. So after all of that was done, I cured it. Then I went in with some rhinestone glue and I just made circles on top of it just to give it a shape. So it's like coming off the nail. Just twirl your bottle around and you can get that effect. So after that was cured, I went ahead and matte top coated the nail, but I avoided the top of the circles. just because I'm about to go in with some chrome powder and then go around it. And this is what it looks like. It's super cute. So next, I'm just going in with this really pretty glitter. Kind of, it's like the same shade that I use in one of my cat eye things. But after that's cured, you go in with some hard gel. You just put a stripe down the middle. Then you take a piece of plastic and you press it flat against it just to make it into like a little oval shape almost, and then you flash cure that. I saw this trick on TikTok and I thought that was really pretty. So I'm using my little gooseneck lamp to flash cure it. Then after that, I'm going in with these chameleon powders. They're like chrome powders that I got from Amazon. I did a video on them once, but they're super pretty. So I'm just using these two colors and I mixed them and just in different spots with the different colors. And I really love the dimension that this nail had. It has so much color. Then I go in with some IBD gel just to top it. I am just using silver. So this next one is really like a chrome look that I wanted to get into. Really, I just didn't know what to do at this point. I was getting kind of tired at this point. So I'm just kind of mixed the two colors that I use on the stone just to bring in some of the same colors again. Then I went in with my rhinestone glue and then I made some designs on the nails. These are all the nails. I think they came out super cute. I love the way it looks. I love how it's like so original because I use pictures to kind of gain inspo. You probably won't see a set out there like this. So if you choose to do this method, I think it's like a really fun way to be creative. If you bring your nail tech like inspiration pictures, or if you choose to do your own nails, I think it's cute. Let me know what your favorite one is. Super cute. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.